The unfolding saga of AI, from ChatGPT to AGI. Alright friends, let's kick off with a question that might have popped into your mind recently. Have you been hearing all the buzz about this thing called ChatGPT? Maybe you're wondering why everyone's going bananas over it. I mean, why is everyone talking about an AI that can whip up a poem about unicorns, or spit out advice like it's a digital life coach? Well, you're not alone. This splash in the AI pool has not just captured our imaginations, but it's got tech investors loosening their purse strings like a karaoke singer on payday. Now here's the scoop. ChatGPT isn't alone in its debut. It's part of a bigger gang known as large language models, or LLMs for short. These models are like the rock stars of AI, trained on just about everything swept up from the vastness of the internet. They can respond with text that sometimes feels shockingly human. It's kind of like having a chat with a wise old owl who occasionally doubles as a stand-up comedian. Just imagine the internet is a massive, dusty old library, and our pal ChatGPT reads every book, every scroll, well, pretty much everything. Now, that's cool and all, but here's the challenge. Feeding these digital beasts for them to learn more can get as pricey as a gourmet truffle feast. And with rising costs, tech companies are starting to sweat. Picture it this way. You're playing a video game, blasting through levels, but each level is more expensive than the last. Flashback to the 1950s, when all of this AI hype was but a twinkle in Alan Turing's eye. You know, the guy who's famous for what's called the Turing test. A nifty test to measure a machine's ability to show intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human. But between then and now, the world of AI went through bursts of innovation followed by cold spells, the infamous AI winters. But fast forward through history and buckle up, because things began heating up fast with the birth of models like ChatGPT. Suddenly, artificial intelligence was skyrocketing, rattling the cages of the internet as we know it. And here's the juicy part. Everyone loves a splash of controversy, don't they? While ChatGPT and its pals were living the high life of rapid improvements, something happened. The fast and furious pace started hitting speed bumps. We're talking about OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, all the top tech titans rubbing their temples, trying to figure out how to sustain this wild growth with mounting costs. Picture yourself back in class, cramming hard and acing those easy tests. But now, the questions? They've turned into brain teasers from puzzle books with no quick solutions in sight. If making AI smarter was as easy as a Sunday puzzle, we wouldn't be here, puzzling over the complexities, would we? Companies have scoured the vast seas of the internet, scraping data like net fishing for pearls, and find themselves in a pinch as those pearls become rare. Some have resorted to even bringing in those academic heavyweights with PhDs to craft datasets of epic quality. Almost as if hiring Shakespeare himself to write your LinkedIn summary, AI needs that human touch at its ivory tower level now more than ever. But let's not skip over an exciting plot twist. Ladies and gents, I give you synthetic data. Yes, imagine AI reading a book written by AI itself. Spooky? Maybe. Innovative? Definitely. It sounds like sci-fi, right? Creating AI content to train more AI, like a digital Ouroboros, a serpent eating its own tail. Let's wrap our heads around the financial part. Developing an AI model is not just about inspiration and spreadsheets. According to Anthropic's CEO, training the next gen of AI, well, that's climbing from millions to potentially billions in cost. And as each dollar flies out, companies juggle complexity, scale, and the baffling question: is anyone actually making money on this whirling AI carousel? Here's a head-turner for you. The big picture isn't just about profits. OpenAI, birthed as a nonprofit, aimed at progressing AI to brighten humanity's future. Now, it's toying with the idea of for-profit goals, the timeline as cloudy as an English morning. And venture capitalists are, well, still sprinkling their cash on these ventures, banking on an AI future painted with all the colors of innovation. And just when you thought it couldn't get spicier, along comes the notion of artificial general intelligence, or AGI for short. We're talking about AI that's not just a one-trick pony. It can think like us humans, way across the spectrum. Think Renaissance AI. AGI could soar across different tasks without breaking a binary sweat. Imagine AI not just organizing your emails, but cranking out symphonies or leading a digital expedition to unexplored realms. Now the kicker? Nobody truly knows when AGI will arrive or what it will embody. Some folks foresee it galloping in soon, while others peg it on a timeline stretching to decades or beyond. It's a guessing game, kind of like predicting when a cat will decide you're worthy of its affection. So folks, there you have it. The roaring, tumbling saga of AI's current journey, dipped in possibilities as endless as the universe. or as baffling as a paradox. Whether you're wide-eyed in awe or just raising an eyebrow, each twist and turn shapes a narrative still being written. And as we tread on, remember to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. This unfolding story? It's more than a news headline. It's a lively, ongoing conversation where you play a part. Catch you on the horizon of our next exploration, where we'll unravel the crazy ways AI is redefining not just how we live and work, but also how we think. Until next time, keep your curiosity kindled and your mind open.